Balanced Scorecard Management Systems. What is a balanced scorecard? The balanced scorecard is a strategic planning and management system. Organizations use BSCs to communicate what they are trying to accomplish, align the day-to-day work that everyone is doing with strategy, prioritize projects, products, and services, and measure and monitor progress towards strategic targets. This diagram does a very good job of showing how the balanced scorecard management system and all its moving parts work together to provide the optimal, efficient company. The balanced scorecard concept. Where did the balanced scorecard get its name from? The idea of looking at strategic measures in addition to traditional financial measures is where the name Balanced Scorecard comes from. It also gives a more balanced view of performance. The concept of Balanced Scorecard is a holistic system for managing strategy. It has evolved beyond the simple use of perspectives, using a disciplined framework. A key benefit of using a disciplined framework is that it gives organizations a way to connect the dots between the various components of strategic planning and management, meaning that there will be a visible connection between the projects and programs that people are working on. The measurements being used to track success, KPIs, the strategic objectives the organization is trying to accomplish, and the mission, vision, and strategy of the organization. What are the four primary perspectives of the balanced scorecard? They are financial, internal business processes, learning and growth, and the customer. Read further to get a more detailed understanding of each perspective. Here is another diagram that depicts the different perspectives of the balanced scorecard. With financial or stewardship, you have financial performance and effective resource use. With the customer and stakeholder, there is customer value, satisfaction, and/or retention. With the internal process, there is efficiency and quality. And with organizational capacity or learning and growth, there is human capital, infrastructure and technology, and culture. Performance management. Organizations desire to be as proficient as possible when achieving their goals. The sub-processes of performance management are the formulation of a plan, actively monitoring its implementation, readjusting the plan, performance measurement, and capability development. The Balanced Scorecard Management System and Performance Prism. The Performance Prism consists of 5 interrelated facets or perspectives. They are stakeholder satisfaction, strategies, processes, capabilities, and contributions. What is an advantage of the prism? It focuses on the reciprocal relationship between the stakeholder and the organization. A disadvantage is that it neglects issues regarding how the performance measurements are going to be realized. The Balanced Scorecard Management System can easily measure the performance of an organization by using key performance indicators. It can also focus on the relationship between stakeholders by having specific objectives. Balanced scorecards were originally meant for for-profit companies. They were later adapted for nonprofit organizations and government agencies as well. They measure the intellectual capital of a company, such as training, skills, knowledge, and any other proprietary information that gives it a competitive advantage in the market. Reinforcement of good behavior in an organization. The balanced scorecard model reinforces good behavior in an organization by isolating four separate areas that need to be analyzed. The four areas are also called legs. They are learning and growth, business processes, customers, and finance. The balanced scorecard management system has characteristics that it possesses. I'm only going to name the characteristics. Take your time and read further to gain a better understanding of each characteristic. They are learning and growth, business processes, customer perspectives, and financial data. Here are the benefits of a balanced scorecard management system. Better strategic planning, improved strategy communication and execution, better alignment of projects and initiatives, better management information, improved performance reporting, better organizational alignment, and better process alignment. The balanced scorecard fundamentals. The financial perspective measures the ultimate results the business provides to its shareholders. The internal perspective focuses on the performance of the key internal processes which drive the business. The customer perspective focuses on customer needs and satisfaction. The employee perspective focuses on the employees and the infrastructure. The purpose of the balanced scorecard is to translate strategy into measures that uniquely communicate the organization's vision.